Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best boating safety kit is probably one of the most essential investments any boater can make, ensuring peace of mind and preparedness for unforeseen circumstances on the water, because when you're out enjoying the waves, the last thing you want to worry about is being caught off guard without the right equipment to handle emergencies, making a comprehensive safety kit not just a recommendation, but a critical necessity for every vessel, regardless of size or type. Number 5. Protect Life First Aid Kit. Introducing the Protect Life First Aid Kit, your reliable partner for unexpected situations. This comprehensive kit is designed to provide immediate care when you need it most. Its compact design makes it perfect for your car, home, or office. Be prepared wherever you go, whether it's for daily use or outdoor adventures like camping and hiking. With 100 essential pieces, this starter kit covers a wide range of common injuries and emergencies. You'll have everything you need for effective first aid. Don't let minor incidents turn into major worries. Having this kit readily available ensures you can respond quickly and confidently to any medical need. Prioritize safety for yourself and your loved ones. This first aid kit is a crucial addition to your emergency preparedness plan. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers a wide array of supplies for various emergencies. If you're looking for a go-to solution for your home, car, or outdoor adventures, this is a solid choice. It's ideal for those who want a well-rounded starter kit that covers many common needs. What people say. It comes with everything you could ever need and more. Cleaning wipes, check. Band-aids, check. Gauze, check. Tape, check. Scissors, check. A sticker for a sucking chest wound, check. It's pretty compact, about as much as it can be for being loaded with everything, but it slid under my seat just fine, it crammed into my bag fine. It includes everything I need: scissors, a CPR mask, an emergency blanket, tourniquet, and more. The variety of bandages, antiseptic wipes, and sterile eye drops make it super comprehensive. Number 4. Better Boat Air Horn Mini 1.4 ounces. Introducing the Better Boat Air Horn Mini. When you need to be heard, its powerful 120 decibel blast cuts through any noise, ensuring your safety is never compromised. This compact horn meets U.S. Coast Guard requirements for boats up to 65 feet. It's always ready to use, requiring no batteries or charging, making it perfect for any situation. Crafted in the USA with high-quality propellant, it maintains consistent power even in cold conditions. Trust in a product built to rigorous safety standards. Its incredibly compact design fits easily into your pocket or bag. Take it boating, hiking, camping, or to any outdoor event for reliable sound when you need it most. Available in a convenient 1.4-ounce size, it's also offered in a larger 3.5-ounce option for extended use. Select the perfect size for your needs from Better Boat. What we like. When your primary concern is being heard in noisy environments, this compact air horn is your best bet. It's designed to cut through engine noise and wind, making it essential for boaters needing to signal for attention or in distress. If you prioritize a loud, reliable signal that meets Coast Guard requirements, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit is comprehensive and includes all the essential safety items required by law. All items are neatly organized in a durable, waterproof bag, making it easy to store and access. The whistle is loud and effective, and the first aid kit is well stocked for minor emergencies. Number 3. Thrive Home Essentials First Aid Kit. Be prepared for any situation with this all-inclusive first aid kit. It contains everything you need to handle minor injuries and emergencies at home. With 291 essential pieces, this kit offers a wide range of supplies. From bandages to gauze, you'll have reliable options for wound care. Everything is neatly organized in a durable bag, making it easy to find what you need quickly. It's designed for convenience and accessibility. It includes multi-sized bandages, sterile gauze, cleansing wipes, scissors, gloves, and tape. You'll also find a soothing ice pack for relief. This kit is your reliable partner for home healthcare. Keep it handy for peace of mind and immediate response to common injuries. What we like. For those who demand the most comprehensive coverage, this kit boasts an impressive 291 pieces. It's perfect for larger households or anyone who wants to be exceptionally prepared for a wide range of medical situations. If you prefer having a vast selection of items and a sturdy bag to keep them organized, this is an excellent option. What people say. With 291 pieces, this kit includes everything from bandages and antiseptics to splints and emergency blankets. The variety ensures that you are well prepared for a wide range of medical situations. The kit comes in a sturdy, organized bag that keeps all supplies neatly arranged and easily accessible, making it user-friendly in emergency scenarios. The medical supplies included are of high quality, providing assurance that they will perform effectively when needed. Number 2. Mini First Aid Kit, 150-piece red. Introducing our Mini First Aid Kit, your essential companion for any unexpected situation. Its compact size makes it easy to store anywhere. This kit features a hard shell case designed to protect its contents from the elements. It's waterproof, ensuring your supplies stay dry and ready. Inside, you'll find 150 essential medical supplies to handle a wide range of emergencies. It's fully equipped for various needs. Perfect for home, car, travel, camping, hiking, and office use. Be prepared wherever life takes you. Don't let minor injuries become major problems. This kit provides the immediate care you need to stay safe and healthy. The vibrant red color ensures it's easily visible in any setting. Quick access is key when seconds count. What we like. This kit is designed for ultimate portability and protection against the elements. Its waterproof hard shell ensures your supplies stay dry and intact, making it ideal for travel, boating, or any situation where moisture is a concern. If you need a compact, durable, and waterproof solution for your vehicle or backpack, consider this option. What people say. This kit is very comprehensive and includes all the essential items for boating safety. The quality of the components in this kit is excellent, ensuring durability and reliability. The compact design of the kit makes it easy to store on the boat without taking up too much space. Number 1. AMORNING 276 PCS First Aid Kit. Introducing the AMORNING 276-piece First Aid Kit. It's your go-to for unexpected emergencies, whether at home, in the car, or during outdoor adventures. This kit is designed to be small and compact, making it incredibly easy to carry. Its lovely bag ensures you can take essential supplies wherever you go. Perfect for keeping at home, in your car, or packing for camping and hiking trips. It provides basic outdoor essentials for survival and emergencies. Ensure safety for your loved ones during school outings or any outdoor activity. This kit is a must-have for any travel or emergency preparedness. Don't get caught unprepared. This survival kit offers peace of mind, knowing you have the necessary supplies for minor injuries and emergencies. Packed with a wide range of medical supplies, it's designed for quick response to common injuries. Trust it to be there when you need it most. What we like. This kit offers a substantial number of items within a compact and appealing bag. It's a great choice for those who need a good balance of preparedness and portability, especially for school or outdoor excursions. If you appreciate a well-organized, visually pleasing kit with a good range of basic emergency supplies, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. The 276 PCS Small Travel First Aid Kit is exactly what I was looking for. It's compact yet packed with all the essential items you'd need for a minor emergency. Whether it's for cuts, scrapes, or small injuries, this kit has everything to help address the situation quickly. The kit packs a lot in a small space and does so in a very nice hard-shell case. The zipper is sturdy, and the case has sufficient flex to pack well into tight spaces in luggage or a saddleback insert. The variety of supplies is outstanding. From adhesive bandages and antiseptic wipes to scissors, tweezers, and an emergency blanket, this kit truly covers all the bases. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.